Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for Steno legal dictations. Be ready for the legal passage for the aspirants who are preparing for Punjab and Haryana subordinate court stenographer exam. Start. The present appeal has been scrutinized by this court not in a cursory manner but with due diligence as it entails determination of significant constitutional questions. Full stop. The arguments were advanced in the form of detailed written submissions as well as oral pleadings. Full stop. Learned counsel sought to articulate that the claims were not merely bundled assertions but founded upon legal principles. Full stop. It was further put forth that the impugned order lacked a rational basis and failed to provide any intelligible reasons for the omission of material evidence. Full stop. The doctrine of ipso facto cannot be invoked to vitiate the proceedings, unless there is a procedural irregularity apparent on the face of the record. Full stop. The court has already passed an interlocutory order, holding the petition to be maintainable inasmuch as the rights of the alleged offender were clearly affected. Full stop. The defense attempted to justify the act on the ground of sudden provocation. Full stop. Yet, in the circumstances, such an argument appears short-sighted. Full stop. The incident unfortunately resulted in a fatality, and therefore, the cumulative effect of the evidence must be considered with due gravity. Full stop. The use of abusive language by the accused cannot be overlooked, but liability cannot solely hinge upon verbal exchange. Full stop. The prosecution has demonstrated that the accused's conduct served as a trigger for the subsequent violence. Full stop. While the trial court imposed a punitive sentence, the High Court must consider whether the act was genuinely provocative or whether the subsequent retaliation was disproportionate. Full stop. The manner in which the offence was committed shows that the situation was precipitated by deliberate action rather than unavoidable compulsion. Full stop. Taking into account the entirety of the evidence, this court finds that the trial court has rightly appreciated the material and imposed appropriate punishment. Full stop. However, considering the mitigating factors, including the age of the accused and absence of criminal antecedents, some leniency may be shown. Full stop. Accordingly, while upholding the conviction, the sentence is reduced to the period already undergone with an additional fine imposed to serve the ends of justice. Full stop. The petitioners challenged the maintainability of the suit, contending that the order lacked jurisdiction and was arbitrary in nature. Full stop. The court observed that natural justice and procedural fairness are fundamental rights enshrined in the Constitution. Full stop. The respondents relied upon precedent and sought interim relief through an interlocutory application. Full stop. The judgment emphasized transparency, accountability, and judicial review as safeguards against maladministration, full stop. The bench concluded that discretionary powers must be exercised within the framework of law and not on extraneous considerations, full stop and over. सो ये हमारी डिक्टेशन थी नियर अबाउट 80 WPM। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशंस।